If your UK driving licence is about to run out, you can renew it online, at a post office, or by post. Let's walk through how it works and what you'll need. A photocard licence has to be renewed every 10 years, and most people will get a reminder letter before it expires. The online option is the easiest, and it costs £14. To use it, you must live in Great Britain, you can't be banned from driving, and your details like your name and title must be the same as on your current licence. If you've changed your name since your licence was issued, you'll need to apply by post instead. To renew online, go to the official gov.uk website and sign in. If you don't already have login details, you can create them quickly. Sometimes you'll be asked to confirm your identity, which normally involves using your passport or another approved ID. Once you're in, check your details and follow the steps on screen. If your passport is up to date, the system may use that photo automatically, so you won't have to send a new one. Pay the £14 fee by debit or credit card, and your new licence should arrive within about a week. If you'd rather not do it online, the post office is another option. Take your reminder letter, your photocard licence, and the £21.50 fee to a branch that handles DVLA renewals. If you don't have a reminder letter, you can still go ahead with just your licence. The post office will handle the paperwork and photo for you, which is why the fee is a bit higher. There's also the option of applying by post. For that, you'll need a D1 pack, which you can pick up at a post office that deals with DVLA services. Fill in the forms and include a recent passport-style photo, your current licence, and a cheque or postal order for £17 made out to DVLA. If your name has changed, you'll also need to send proof, like a marriage certificate or deed poll. Post everything to DVLA at the following address. If you're over 70 or have a short-term medical licence, there's no fee to pay.